Good morning. Hi, this is AMarkets Daily Review, and my name is Maria Salnikova. I'm here to present you our trading ideas and, of course, to trade with you some good deals. I hope that you like it. If you like our videos, please thumbs up and, of course, join our channel. We will really appreciate it. Okay, guys, what do we do in our daily reviews? First of all, we discuss the news list, and after that, we go through some technical situations that are useful for you and we think are okay to use while trading. I'm trying to show you some situations on coins and, of course, currencies. From time to time, we use gold, oil, as far as I know, all our strategies for gold and oil were really profitable. So, yes, my congratulations to those who worked with us during the last 3 weeks. Okay, so let's go to the news list. What we have, what do we have now? Here are two stories. First of all, yesterday, the 10-year U.S. Treasuries went really high and to 5-year maximum. And in this situation, we can wait that United States dollar will grow a little bit. There was a risk that gold and safe instrument Japanese yen will go down. But here comes another story from United States of America as well. And this is news from Trump, who announced long-term promised tariffs on Chinese goods. And this is like a smell of a little bit tricky situation and the smell of trading war. What we didn't want it to happen, but Trump decided that it's the right time to start this trading war. Now, after we know the decision of United States president, we will wait for United States dollar to grow a little bit as a safe instrument, and of course, we should keep buying gold and we should keep buying Japanese yen and Swiss franc. But these are not the only one ideas that we have, and I think we should now go to charts. Um, by the way, about the news list for today, here is at 12:30 p.m. Wait for charts. At 12:30 p.m. From United States, we get information about durable goods, and also at 12:30, Canada will publish its CPI inflation and retail sales. So, who trades Canadian dollar? You should pay attention to those news. Okay, now we go to our chart for United States dollar and euro. Also, I would like to mention that there are some troubles in France. Well, my opinion is that those data, so those problems won't influence euro now. And all of you who thinks that it's the time to sell euro, I think it's time to buy euro because the market will try to push the price as high as possible, and you can lose if you follow the idea that those troubles in France will influence euro now. Okay, technically, I will remind you about the small tendency period, small tendency line that we had on 4-hour chart, and it was broken yesterday. We talked with you about that, and now the price is going upward below this tendency line. I think that it's the right time to keep buying euro. I can show you on 1-hour chart. I hope you follow our idea about 1-hour chart, that when you have this kind of situation, I mean, a lot of shadows on the bottom part, so you can wait for the price to be pushed to the level of resistance that is important. Well, the market is not really strong now, and I think all all trading ideas and all trading hardness will go now to gold and to Japanese yen and to Swiss franc. So for euro, it's not the right time to be, like to take it as the biggest position. But one of trades can be to euro as well. Now, as you can see now on our chart, traders found some strong level of resistance, and it is 1.2335, 1.2334. So after you see the breakdown of this level of resistance, so you enter market and you buy euro. But before the price is not broken, it's hard to say that we should enter market now for a long position. Yeah, so we have what to do with the euro. Now we go to New Zealand dollar. You know that we discussed this currency pair for last week, for the whole week, and yeah, the level of support is not really that as a range. You can see that there is a good support, and we should use it, I think. But here are some news from Trump, and this makes us to wait and to accept an idea that the United States dollar can go up, can grow. So this currency pair will break the level of support, and we have an opportunity to sell New Zealand dollar. We see dollar with a target 200 pips because the this range, blue one that you see, it is 200 pips. So after the breakdown, the level of resistance or the level of support, it doesn't matter. The target is the wideness of this range. Okay, so wait for a level 0.72 to be solved, and after that you enter market. For now, it looks like yesterday I told you to buy if you see the breakdown of this level of resistance 0.7245, but we didn't see it. For today, same idea. If you see that price goes up below 0.7245, then you buy. If we see the end of the week below 0.7200, so we will sell this currency pair. Okay, let's go next. The Great Britain pound, I think we should talk about that. Okay, I find it later on. Yeah, here it is. The Great Britain pound, as you see, is still in a long-term uptrend, and what I think is it's okay to use this uptrend to keep using it. Actually, there are no new ideas to enter market today because it's Friday, and I think it is possible for pair to go down as a result of strong United States dollar. But from the next week, I think we should start buying it again. I hope you had some good money yesterday on buying in Great Britain pound with the dollar because yeah, we saw a big shot on this currency pair, and we got some good levels. Some good levels and some good profits were reached. But for today, I think we should stay away from this currency pair. And from the Monday, I think we will start to buy this currency pair again. Okay, let's go to coins and to gold, of course. What do we see here on Monero? We discussed with you an idea to sell or to buy Monero after we see the breakdown of two levels, two tendency lines. So I hope you were with us and you followed an idea to sell after the breakdown of tendency line, and now you're in profit. So an idea is not changed, and the technical picture is not broken yet. The profit is about right here where you see now 195, but as you see here is now a good buyer still, and well, I think we should keep selling this coin with the target to the minimum of this week. So check it out on your chart and enter market after you see the breakdown of 195 price and follow down to the minimum of this week. Let's go next. Zcash. Zcash also, this is like the perfect coin because it follows an idea trading by levels perfectly. And now we see one more level of support. It's 202, and we can try to buy from here with the target 222. That's what we discussed with you yesterday, that it's okay to sell from 248 with the target 222 and 200 equal. So I hope you are in profit and keep using those levels, buying on the bottom part and the level of support with the target 222. If you see the breakdown further, so you buy with the 248. This is an idea for now. Okay, Ripple Same as yesterday, I don't want to trade that. And Ethereum Classic also, you know, it's not a good to trade Ethereum Classic now. An idea is same. Now we see the tendency line. It was broken 2 days ago, and now we want to see a retest of this tendency line. After that, we should try to enter market with a target 20.80. And I think BTC Euro, don't use it today. Euro we discussed, by the way, about the Euro. Let's come back to the Euro again. Here is now the chart, and this is for our chart. Here is a tendency line that I have from February 14, and you see that 2 days ago there was a retest of this tendency line, and follow this tendency line, the blue one, the small one that you can see now on charts. After you see the breakdown of this tendency line, then it will be a good signal that price will go to 1.25 and further to 1.2740. That is the target that I think market should reach real soon. Okay. About. Well, this is our Australian dollar, and the idea is same, that we sell with the target 0.76. 0.76. Nothing is changed for now, and well, I don't feel like trading this currency pair for now. We go to UK oil, and yeah, I show you again how good we reached our target to the price 69, and now well, the market, what I think, market will try to reverse the whole action, and now those will be trades near this level of resistance, near the 68.70 price, and this will be the small range for like further couple of days. And for now, there is no signal to sell oil, but there is no signal to keep buying it. What I prefer to do is to keep away from this market now and not to trade it. Well, as I told you before, it's better to trade gold and Japanese yen for now and Swiss franc. So the UK oil is okay. We got our target, we got our profits, and for now we wait for a good signal to enter market again. And we follow silver. Silver is okay to trade in ranges. Yeah, this is a range of open for our chart, and you see a particular level of support 16.10, 16.20, and the level of resistance 16.60, 16.80. That's what I think we should keep using as we do the whole week. So we just buy near the level of support and sell near the level of resistance. It's technically really easy to do now. And same idea for gold. That's what I told you for the whole week. I hope you work on it. And now the target is 1,345. The price is really close to that target. What I think that we will see the breakdown of this level of resistance, and the price will go further to 1,352. That is the target for gold for today. Well, I hope that you get our ideas. If you have any questions, please ask them under this video. And of course, I wish you good profits, and I wish you big deals for today. And follow our channel, thumbs up. And if you have any questions, ask them. Bye bye.